Hey everyone, here's something that genuinely worries me as a doctor right now. Over 93 million Americans are living with some form of vision impairment or eye disease. And most of them have no idea it's coming until it's already too late. Macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy, dry eye syndrome, glaucoma, these aren't just old people problems anymore. I'm seeing patients in their 40s sitting in my chair telling me their vision changed almost overnight. But here's what I don't tell enough people, and honestly, I should. There is one fruit that you can eat tonight before you go to bed that has a measurable science-backed impact on your eye health. It's not exotic. It's not expensive. You've probably walked right past it in the grocery store 100 times. Stick with me for the next few minutes because what I'm about to share could genuinely protect something you really cannot afford to lose. Hey everyone, I'm Dr. William Lee, and if you're new here, welcome. I make these videos because I believe every single person deserves clear, honest health information. No fluff, no scare tactics, just real medicine explained simply. Today we're talking about your eyes. Not glasses prescriptions, not laser surgery. We're talking about the actual biological health of your eyes. The retina, the macula, the tiny blood vessels and nerve cells that make vision possible. And we're talking about one specific fruit that supports all of that at night while you sleep. Before I reveal what it is, I need to give you some context because once you understand why this works, you'll never forget to eat it. Tone shifts more serious. Here's the reality that most of my patients don't know. Your eyes are working 24 hours a day. Even when you sleep, your retinal cells are doing repair work, flushing out toxins, regenerating photoreceptors, managing inflammation. But here's the problem. Most Americans, especially those of us over 40, are eating a diet that is actively working against that repair process. Ultra-processed foods, excessive sugar, refined carbohydrates, these things cause oxidative stress. That means free radicals, unstable molecules are constantly battering your eye cells. Over time, this damages the macula. It breaks down the retinal pigment. It narrows the tiny blood vessels in your eyes. And if you have diabetes, high blood pressure, or even just chronic stress, and I know a lot of you do, that damage happens even faster. Here's what gets me. I had a patient, let's call her Linda, 58 years old, retired teacher from Ohio. She came in complaining about blurry vision while reading. She assumed it was just age. It wasn't just age. She had early-stage macular degeneration. Linda told me, Dr. William Lee, nobody ever told me I could do something to prevent this. And she's right. Most doctors spend 3 minutes with you and write a prescription. They don't talk about nutrition for eye health. That ends today. Educational tone like explaining to a friend. Your eyes have a very specific nutritional wish list. Let me walk you through the big three. Number 1, lutein and zeaxanthin. These are carotenoids, pigments that literally deposit themselves in your macula. They act as a natural internal sunscreen filtering out harmful blue light and UV rays. Research published in the journal Ophthalmology has shown that people with the highest levels of these two compounds have significantly lower rates of macular degeneration. Number 2, anthocyanins. These are the dark pigments that give certain fruits their deep purple, blue, or red color. They've been shown to improve circulation to the retina, reduce inflammation in the optic nerve, and even improve night vision. A study out of Japan, and this blew my mind when I first read it, showed that people who regularly consumed anthocyanin-rich foods experienced measurable improvements in visual acuity and reduced eye fatigue. Number 3, vitamin C and vitamin A, classic antioxidants. Vitamin C helps protect the lens from oxidative damage, which is what causes cataracts. Vitamin A is literally the building block of rhodopsin, the pigment your eyes use to see in low light. A deficiency in vitamin A is actually one of the leading causes of preventable blindness worldwide. Now, here's where it gets exciting because there is one fruit that contains significant amounts of all three of these things, and it's best eaten at night. I'll explain why in just a second. The fruit is the kiwi. I know what some of you are thinking. Dr. William Lee, I thought you were going to say blueberries. And blueberries are absolutely wonderful. We'll talk about them, but hear me out on kiwi because the research is remarkably strong. A landmark study, the ARED study and follow-up trials, highlighted lutein and zeaxanthin as the most critical dietary nutrients for slowing age-related macular degeneration. 2 kiwis contain a meaningful daily dose of lutein and zeaxanthin combined. But beyond that, kiwi is one of the highest vitamin C foods on the planet. Per gram, it actually beats oranges. One medium kiwi has over 70 millimoles of vitamin C. That's nearly 80% of your daily recommended intake. And then there's the kiwi's natural serotonin and folate content, which helps you sleep more deeply. And here's the connection most people miss. Deep sleep is when your eyes do their most intensive repair work. The glymphatic system, your brain and eyes waste clearing mechanism, is most active during deep restful sleep. Studies from the University of Taiwan showed that eating 2 kiwis before bed improves sleep onset and sleep quality significantly. So you're not just feeding your eyes, you're giving them a full repair window. That's the 1-2 punch. Lighter tone like a bonus segment. Now, kiwi is your MVP, but I'm a big believer in a team approach. Let me give you 4 other fruits that work beautifully alongside it. Blueberries. If you want one food that embodies anthocyanin power, this is it. Half a cup a day has been linked in multiple studies to reduced risk of glaucoma and improved visual contrast sensitivity. I personally eat them every single morning. Goji berries. These little guys are loaded with zeaxanthin, actually one of the highest food sources on Earth. A small handful a day is all you need. You can find them at most Walmart or Whole Foods locations now. Papaya, rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. 1 cup of papaya gives you about 29% of your daily vitamin A needs. It's also incredible for people managing blood sugar because its glycemic impact is more moderate than most people expect. Grapes, especially red and purple ones, contain resveratrol, which has been shown to protect retinal cells from oxidative damage, particularly in patients with diabetic eye disease. Now, here's my simple recommendation, and this is what I've told patients who've seen real improvement. Aim for what I call the eye health evening plate. 1 or 2 kiwis about 45 minutes to an hour before bed. Add a small handful of blueberries or goji berries. That's it. Simple, inexpensive, backed by science, compassionate, direct. Let me be honest with you about who I'm most concerned about. If you are over 45, your macular pigment is thinning. It happens to everyone. Dietary support matters more, not less, with every passing year. If you have type 2 diabetes, diabetic retinopathy is the leading cause of blindness in working-age American adults. Every anti-inflammatory circulation-supporting food you eat is protecting those blood vessels in your eyes. If you work in front of a screen, which is most of us, the blue light exposure and chronic eye strain is accelerating oxidative damage to your retina. The lutein and zeaxanthin from kiwi literally absorb that blue light before it hits your photoreceptors. And if anyone in your family has had macular degeneration or glaucoma, you have a genetic risk factor, and diet is one of the most powerful tools you have. This isn't about replacing your eye doctor. Please keep those annual exams, but what you eat every single day is either protecting your vision or quietly eroding it. And that is entirely in your hands. Warm, encouraging, close. So let's recap. Eat 2 kiwis before bed, ideally 45 minutes before you sleep. Add blueberries or goji berries when you can. This supports your retinal pigment, floods your eyes with vitamin C, improves blood flow to the optic nerve, and enhances the deep sleep your eyes need to repair. Simple, cheap, powerful. Linda, my patient I told you about, she started this routine along with a few other dietary changes I recommended. 6 months later, her follow-up showed the progression of her macular degeneration had slowed significantly. She told me, "Dr. William Lee, I just want to keep seeing my grandkids' faces. That's why I make these videos. If this helped you, please share it with someone you love, especially if they're over 50. It could make a real difference. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of those eyes."